Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka, and if you are new to my channel, then I make motivational videos for the people who feel they are stuck in their life but they still wanna do what their heart really desires. So if you are the one, then my channel is for you. वैसे मैंने ये एक वीडियो रिकॉर्डर यहाँ पर जैसे हमारे पहले वो नहीं होते थे क्या बोलते हैं उसे रेडियोज उसमें जो वो बोलते थे मुझे कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अनाउंस ऐसे ही करती हूँ ओके व्हाटएवर ओके सो व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड these days, the beauty of being in the present moment. Like we all have heard this word and this thing कि, be in a present moment and be grateful for everything. But let me tell you, the more you are in the present moment, the more you are being in the present moment, the more you are choosing to see beauty in the world and everything and what you have right now, you will be more grateful for it. Because sometimes our mind is programmed and tricked. I don't know much about it, but what I have realized from my own experience is that my mind was always strict कि happiness is in the future, happiness is in this party, happiness is in this thing, happiness is with this person, happiness is this, happiness is that, happiness is achieving that big goal and big thing in my life. Happiness is something else, very big and far away from me, and it is difficult for me, and happiness is not for me. That's what I used to think. Happy, I cannot be happy. अगर मैं खुश रहूँगी तो मुझे अटेंशन कैसे मिलेगा? आई कैन नॉट बी हैप्पी, आई नीड टू बी सैड in order to gain attention of people around me, because that's how my own experience was with attention, with love and care. That every time I used to fall sick, every time something bad used to happen, तभी attention मिलता था. तो what I started to believe that I can only get this attention and I can only feel this happiness of getting this type of attention when I'm sick, when something bad is happening in my life, okay, and when I'm sad, um, when I'm not okay. So I need to be broken, I need to be sad, I need to feel bad all the time in order to have the attention in my life. So I only realized this when I started to focus more on the present moment and more on my present thoughts, rather than, because being an anxious person, there are so many thoughts. एक सेकेंड में मुझे हज़ार थॉट्स आते हैं. And most of what I realized about my thoughts as well, after being in the present moment, most of the thoughts are only fear based thoughts. And what I realized about these fear based thoughts is that these thoughts are only trying to keep me safe. Let's say if I have this friend, if they stop talking to me, then what my thought will tell me? Okay, they are making other friends, and if they'll make other friends, you will be of no use. They'll not talk to you, they'll not need them anymore. You will have to be more useful. You are not doing anything. Why did you take your time off? Why did you set the boundaries? And you did so much for that person is not talking to you, they took advantage of you. So all these negative looping of thoughts, but I never realized that I have all these thoughts which are fear based, and these thoughts are trying to keep me safe. Keep Protect yourself, and next time do not make friends, do not trust on people, or just my overthinking is keeping me safe. Keep on overthinking. That's how you will solve some problem which was never there. So I realized that okay, these are just thoughts. बस थॉट्स हैं, बहुत सारे थॉट्स हैं. मान लीजिए एक क्लाउड की तरह है आपके सर के ऊपर, एंड उसमें ये सारे थॉट्स हैं जो घूम रहे हैं आपके सर के ऊपर, एंड आप नीचे बैठे हैं, एंड ये क्लाउड सिर्फ इल्यूजन है आपका जो आपने खुद बना रखा है. And maybe that person is actually busy. Maybe that person maybe actually doesn't want to talk to you, and if they don't, then self love will tell you ki okay, what this person was teaching me, where am I not loving myself and not choosing myself enough, rather than resenting that person, wasting your time on that person, thinking about that person. You will focus on yourself ki how and where I need to heal myself to attract better friendships in my life. But rather than what your anxious thinking and fearful thinking is doing to you, कि आपको उस पर्सन पे हाइपर फोकस करवा रहा है जबकि वो अपनी लाइफ में फोकस्ड है. मे बी एक्चुअली में दे आर बिजी, एंड इफ नॉट, it's your time to move out, okay, and then choose yourself. But still you are not doing that. You will keep on going to that person again and again and again, and keep on asking yourself, where am I wrong, what did I do wrong, मैंने कैसे इसको ज़्यादा लव नहीं दिया, अटेंशन नहीं दिया, या फिर खुद को सेक्रीफाइस नहीं किया, इसके लिए मैंने बाउंड्री क्यों सेट किया. You will do all these things. You are not focusing on yourself. You are focusing on that person and pleasing that person and bringing that person back into your life. But being in the present moment will tell you, that will teach you. That's what I have realized. Ki this is my pattern. I'm always hyper focused on the other person, and I'm never asking myself ki from where these thoughts are coming. This extreme jealousy, fear of abandonment, from where it is coming. Maybe it's just a fear. You are talking to your cloud. Maybe it is just a fear. Maybe I'm safe because there are so many other people on this planet who are safe, who will love me the way I want them to love me, the way I want to be loved. Sorry. There are so many beautiful people, there are so many people, other things who are there to love me, and I am constantly receiving love. But I am only and only focusing from where I'm not getting that love, that attention. Why am I focusing on that? Why my mind is so busy focusing on that person or on that thing from where I'm not getting anything back, where that person is not valuing me, respecting me. Why am I attached to that? Why do I want that in my life? Why do I want to be treated like that? Because to tell my mind, like see, now you have the example, you are never loved, this person is not loving you, you did so much for this person, still this person is not loving you. It means you are not worthy of love. Now अब देखो, तुम्हें अपने आप को चूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए था. तुमने कुछ गलत किया होगा, पूछो उससे. तुमने ही कोई गलती की होगी, तुम्हारी ही कोई गलती होगी, उसकी तो कोई गलती हो ही नहीं सकती. बिकॉज व्हाट वी डू, हम उस पर्सन को ना पेडिस्टल पर बिठा देते हैं यहाँ पे, और हमको ऐसा लगता है कि वो पर्सन बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, लाइक पिक्चर परफेक्ट. उस पर्सन में कोई बुराई नहीं है, कोई खामियां नहीं है. बुराई इज़ अ हार्श वर्ड यूज़ करने के लिए. कोई खामियां नहीं है, ठीक है. वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, सब तुम में ही है, सब गलत तुमने ही किया है. सो व्हेन you are an anxious person like me, you will have all these thoughts. But क्या ये thoughts real हैं? क्या ये thoughts आपकी लाइफ में जो पर्पस है उसको सर्व कर रहे हैं? When you will be in the present moment, when you will start to be in the present moment, what it will teach you? It will start to teach you the beauty and the things which are available to you right now. The love which is there for you. I was walking down the street, and this dog came to me पीछे से, and he start loving me कि मेरे आसपास घूम रहा था, and he wanted me to pet him, थोड़ा उसे प्यार दूँ. I felt so loved. felt so good. And I realized, oh my god, I was never able to notice this love in my life. I was never able to notice this love in my life. ओके एंड ऐसे ही जब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आई स्टार्टेड टू ट्रिक माई माइंड टू फोकस ऑन द स्मॉल स्मॉल डे टू डे हैप्पीनेस and things to be grateful I have. My mind shifted on that. My mind started to overthink less and started to be more grateful कि ओके आई हैव दिस टेबल, कि मैं इस पे वीडियो शूट कर सकती हूँ. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल. अगर मेरे पास ये नहीं होता तो मैं कैसे शूट करती. आई हैव दिस फ़ोन. मैं इस एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है यहाँ पे. एंड मेरे पास पैसे हैं बिजली का बिल देने के लिए, जिसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ रही है मेरे घर में. एंड आई हैव कुक, जो कुक करते हैं. एंड आई हैव फूड ऑन माई प्लेटर. एंड आई हैव मिल्क, आई हैव कॉफ़ी. मैं कॉफ़ी पी सकती हूँ. वाओ, दिस इज़ सच अ ब्यूटिफुल मोमेंट इन माई लाइफ. I don't know if you guys are getting my point or not, but trust me, when you will start to focus on the small beauty which is available in your life right now, your mind will start to focus on everything that you have in your life right now. Because this I learned from my Jyoti ma'am. She's my mentor. So I would like to give this credit to her because she posted something yesterday and I read this in her post. And she wrote ki okay, be grateful for what you have right now in your life for each and every moment, because we have so much beauty in our life to be grateful. And I never realized, and she used to tell me about it ki right now also you have so much in your life. Right now also you are doing this and you are doing that, you have achieved this. But I never realized what she was actually saying to me. ये चीज़ मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आई. ये चीज़ मुझे कभी पता नहीं चली कि उनकी बोलने का मतलब क्या था. जो मुझे अब समझ में आया कि what she meant कि you are taking care of yourself, you took a stand for yourself, and you are choosing yourself, you are trying to heal yourself, you are earning this amount of money, you are going here and going there, you are taking care of yourself, and you have house, you have bed, you have so many things in your life. And now I know that what she was talking about. She was trying to tell me कि you already have so much in your life to be grateful for. But my mind was always focused on what I don't have, on lack. So I was always attracting and hyper focused on the lack, what I don't have in my life, rather than being grateful for what I have and what I'm doing right now. If I'm not present with myself, I'll never be able to appreciate myself. If I'll be not able to be present with my feelings and emotions which I'm feeling with this person or with this thing, then I'll be never able to choose myself or make the right decisions for myself or for my career or for anything in my life. That's the beauty of being in the present moment, and that's what maybe she was trying to teach me. Okay, maybe धीरे धीरे मुझे और पता चलेगा. I don't know, but मुझे अभी समझ में आया कि वो क्या सिखाना चाहती थी. कि right now also you have so many things in your life to be grateful for. आपके पास भी ज़रूर होगा. Look outside your window, like पत्ते हिल रहे हैं, हवा चल रही है, birds की आवाज़ आ रही है. आप जो चाहते थे 40% भी अगर आपकी लाइफ में वो मैनिफेस्ट हो गया है, then it's a big thing, but you never notice. You always focus on the next thing in your life कि अब बस next क्या है जो मैं अचीव करूँ और तब खुश रहूँगी मैं. But trust me, happiness आपको तब नहीं मिलेगी जब आपको वो चीज़ मिल जाएगी जो आप चाहते हो कि आपको मिले. वो आपका माइंड सिर्फ और सिर्फ ट्रिक कर रहा है. Happy people are those people, according to my understanding, who finds the reason to be happy in each and every situation and moment, who make the most out of each and every moment and what they have in their life at that time. Let me have some water. I'll come back. You know, we wait to buy that beautiful dress to look beautiful, to look pretty. But something is up with my throat. But we never realized, but we never try to look our best with what we have right now in our closet. You know, आप दूसरों को देखते हो, काश मेरे पास ऐसा कपड़ा होता, काश मेरे पास ये होता, काश मेरे पास ऐसा घर होता, ऐसी गाड़ी होती. बट आप जब वो काश ये होता पे देख रहे हो तो आपको लगता है कि ये अबंडेंट माइंडसेट है, और इज इट कमिंग फ्रॉम द लैक माइंडसेट, फ्रॉम ओ माई गॉड आई डोंट हैव इट and I'm sad that I don't have it. I wish I had it. I'm not happy because I don't have it. I'm not blessed that I don't have it. Because I don't have it के पीछे ये सारे questions and emotions होते हैं. I don't have that car. Why you don't have that car? I'm not capable of that car. I'm not worthy of that car. I'm not smart enough to make that kind of money to have that car. I'm not worthy enough to be gifted with that car. I'll never have that car, and I'm not happy and not worthy to have the experience to have that car. इसके पीछे तो ये सारी लैकनेस है ना, और आपका सेल्फ डाउट है. बट हम स्टक हो जाते हैं कि I'll only be happy when I'll have this car. I don't have it. Now you have it. Now what? I don't have that big house. Now you have it. Now what? So I truly believe that I also want all these beautiful things in my life, truly. And I'm working on myself for it. And I'm trying to see like in which areas and how am I thinking and believing कि I'm not capable of that, of having that, I'm not worthy of having that in my life, and why do I feel that I'm not worthy of that? But now I'm not stuck कि I don't have it, so I'll be sad. I'll be upset, I'll be jealous, and I'll stuck with the jealousy. जो गलत चीज़ जो मैंने देखी है ना, what I have realized in myself also is that when you get stuck with jealousy or any emotion, it starts to cause pain to you, because now you are stuck with it. You are not transforming it into something good and light. You are not learning anything out of it. You are just being stuck there and you are feeling bad for yourself. And that is not going to help. Beauty of being in a present moment is that what you have right now, like I love my curtains. These are so gives me a royal feeling, and I love the gate. It gives me a princessy castle wala vibe, okay? And I love the drawers, I love the glasses, I love कि मेरे पास इतने सारे drawers हैं. I love my bed, and I love you all. Okay, so right now also I have time कि मैं ये वीडियो शूट कर सकती हूँ. I have time to take care of myself. I have time to groom myself. I have time to take a bath. I have time कि मैं अपने लिए लंच कुक कर सकती हूँ. आई हैव वेजिटेबल्स एंड गैस वो लंच कुक करने के लिए. आई एम सो इन ग्रैटिट्यूड कि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं ग्रेटफुल होने के लिए. बट मैं ग्रेटफुल क्यों नहीं हूँ? आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि टुडे आई एम सेफ. आई एम ग्रेटफुल दैट टुडे आई एम लिविंग इन अ कंट्री वेयर आई एम सेफ, जहाँ पे वॉर्स एटलीस्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं. ओके. आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि इतने सारे बर्ड्स हैं, उनकी आवाज़ें मुझे रोज़ आती हैं सुबह सुबह, इतना ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि आई हैव दिस बैल्कनी. आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड इट, जहाँ पे मैं फ्रेश एयर, फ्रेश हवा ले सकती हूँ. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि मैं रोज़ सूरज को देख सकती हूँ, महसूस कर सकती हूँ. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि मेरी आँखें इतनी सारी ब्यूटी को देख सकती हैं. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि आई एम अवेयर and I'm connected with God, and I'm trying my best to believe that I have this deep connection with God. I'm so grateful कि आप लोग मेरा content देखते हैं. I'm so grateful. And the moment you will start to shift your focus, from lack to be in the gratitude, you trust me, the sadness will go. Your mind, now you are tricking your mind to be grateful and only see beauty, and only see what you are worthy of, what you have right now, and what you are experiencing in this present moment. So you will attract more of this feeling. You will attract more of these type of people, opportunities, circumstances in your life जो आपको सेम फीलिंग देंगे. अगर आप लैक में रहोगे तो आपको बस खुद के ऊपर बेचारा फील होने के लिए ही सब लोग आपको मिलेंगे कि आप बस वही अट्रैक्ट करोगे. एंड मुझे कॉटन साड़ी चाहिए थी बिकॉज आई हैव सम प्लान्स ऑफ माई ओन. सो आई स्टार्टेड टू सी कॉटन साड़ी एवरीवेयर. मैंने कभी नहीं देखी, ट्रस्ट मी. पहले मेरे माइंड ने कभी वो फोकस भी नहीं किया. मेरे सामने ही थी बट मैंने कभी फोकस नहीं किया. The moment I started to search for it, I started to feel कि I'm wearing it, how I'm gonna look जब मैं उसे पहनूंगी, तो मेरा माइंड हर जगह सिर्फ कॉटन साड़ी देख रहा है. सबने एक कॉटन साड़ी पहनी हुई है मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. लेकिन अवेयरनेस मुझे इससे क्या आई कि ओके, now I've tricked my mind to see what I want and what is available. It is already available. मैंने कभी मेरे माइंड कभी उस तरफ गया ही नहीं. मैंने कभी वो नोटिस ही नहीं किया. तो दैट्स हाउ यू ट्रिक योर माइंड विद द स्मॉल स्टेप. व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इन माय लाइफ, बीइंग इन अ प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, बीइंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट really helps you to bring your desires sooner and faster in your life, because now you are focusing on your feelings, your emotions, and you are focusing on things which you already have in your life, and you are focusing on being grateful for what you already have. आप सोचिए कि आपके पास थाली में इतना सारा खाना रखा हुआ है जो बहुत टेस्टी है, जो और लोग खाना चाहते हैं उनके पास उसका हाफ भी नहीं है. एंड आप उसके लिए तो कुक को ग्रैटिट्यूड दे ही नहीं रहे हो जिसने बना के आपको वो खाना दिया है. आप उसको उस खाने के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड तो दे ही नहीं रहे हो. मतलब लाइक अ स्मॉल जेस्चर कि थैंक यू सो मच फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस फूड फॉर मी. इट लुक्स सो डिलीशियस. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड आप सिर्फ कंप्लेन कर रहे हो, तुमने मेरे लिए ये क्यों नहीं बनाया, तुमने मेरे लिए वो क्यों नहीं बनाया, तुमने वो क्यों नहीं किया मेरे लिए. सो हाउ इज़ योर कुक गोना फील? क्या उसे मोटिवेशन मिलेगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम वो आपके लिए कुछ और अच्छा बना के लाए, या फिर आपको कुछ और सरप्राइजेस दे, या फिर आपके लिए थोड़ा और एफर्ट डाले? नाउ दे विल लीव अप टू यू कि आप जो मुझे बोलोगे वो मैं बना के आपको दे दूंगा, बिकॉज यू आर नेवर हैप्पी विद what you already have, what I am bringing to the table, what I cook, sorry, not for what I'm doing for you right now. So maybe that's how the universe also works. Universe is like कि right now what I have given to you, you are not being grateful for it. You are not appreciating it, you are not enjoying it. तो जब मैं तुम्हें बहुत बड़ी चीज़ दे दूंगा तुम तब भी कंप्लेन्स ही करोगे, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलवेज कंप्लेनिंग, यू आर ऑलवेज इन लैक, you are always so much focused on the negativity of everything and everything around you. You are so self absorbed कि तुम्हें कुछ और दिखता ही नहीं है, तुम कभी भी ग्रेटफुल होते ही नहीं हो. That's what I understood about people who are self absorbed. They are never grateful for anything. They feel they are entitled. उनको मिलना ही चाहिए. अगर उनको ये नहीं मिला, so it's a bad thing. So beauty of being in a present moment. अभी जैसे कि जब मेरी मैम मुझे समझाती थी तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था. जब तक मैंने वो अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट नहीं किया, मैंने उसे जीना स्टार्ट नहीं किया, अब मुझे समझ में आता है कि आई हैव सो मच टू बी ग्रेटफुल ऑफ, एंड इवन इफ माई माइंड इज़ नॉट रेडी फॉर इट, आई विल टेल माई सेल्फ एवरी डे. एक दिन में नहीं होगा, फिर से आप उस नेगेटिव लूप में जाओगे, आपको सैड फीलिंग होगा, रेजिस्टेंस फील होगा, बट बार बार प्रैक्टिस से ज़रूर होगा. You will start to see all the beautiful things in the world, like a plants, like tree, like air, जैसे पत्ते हिलते हैं, and जैसे you know क्यूट से बर्ड्स उस पर आके बैठ जाते हैं. कितना अच्छा लगता है ना. एंड इतनी छोटी सी बॉडी में इतनी हाई पिच वॉल्यूम होती है उनकी. सो क्यूट. ओके. And you will start to focus on everything what you have right now in your life, and you will be start to be grateful for it, and more you will feel what you have right now, and more you will feel happy. The more happy feeling you will attract in your life, because now you are signaling to the universe कि I'm so grateful जो आपने मुझे दिया. I'm so happy, I'm so lucky. So like thank you so much for loving me. So now universe is like, okay, now this person need this feeling more, let me give this feeling more to this person. जितना आप lack, because यूनिवर्स को आपका फिजिकल माइंड का कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड नहीं है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट एनर्जीज. And so I do not have so much understanding of all these things, but what I have realized in my life is that it's all about energies. कि आप किस एनर्जी में टैप कर रहे हैं. इज इट एनर्जी ऑफ जॉय, abundance, happiness, gratitude? तो you will attract that token of energy more in your life, because you are sending that energy in the universe. Energy of love, energy of self-love, energy of choosing yourself, energy of healing, energy of gratitude, energy of abundance, joy, prosperity, of happiness. Okay, so you will attract that sort of energy more into your life, because now you are on that frequency. You are also trying to tap onto that. आप धीरे धीरे टैप करना चाह रहे हैं. लाइक आप गेट नॉक करते हैं ना, या फिर अगर आप गेट ढूंढना भी चाहते हैं तो आपको मिल जाएगा वो गेट, क्योंकि कम से कम आप वो ढूंढना तो चाहते हैं. तो यूनिवर्स इज लाइक कि नाउ दिस पर्सन इज विलिंग टू फाइंड दैट गेट. तो वो विलिंगनेस, तो आप वो स्ट्रेंथ और विलिंगनेस वाली एनर्जी आएगी, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग वाली एनर्जी भी आएगी, राइट. देन आपको वो मिल जाएगा. ओके, फिर धीरे धीरे आपको और बिलीव आपका पक्का होगा, आप और उस एनर्जी पे टैप इन कर पाओगे, और वो इजी आपके लिए हो जाएगा. लेकिन जब तक आप चाहोगे नहीं तब तक होगा कैसे. ओके, आई जस्ट फिगर्ड आउट अबाउट विलिंगनेस एनर्जी. My ma'am used to talk about willingness energy as well, and I never understood कि what is the meaning of willingness. कि first step is willingness. Now I understood what is willingness. Willingness is where you send the signal to the universe कि now you are willing to feel this energy. Now you're willing to experience this energy. Now you're willing to find this gate. So you will find this gate. But you need to be willing for that. The beauty of being in a present moment is amazing. If you are sipping your coffee, your chai, हवा चल रही है and वो हवा आपके face को touch कर रही है, it's a beautiful moment, it's a beautiful experience. And I feel extremely grateful for the money जिसकी वजह से मैंने वो चीज़ खरीदा उस bench पे जहाँ पे मैं बैठी, and for to have that experience in my life. I'm so grateful. But मैंने कभी नहीं इतना grateful feel किया until I started to be in the present moment and I started to move out from my lack mindset of always I don't have this, I don't have that, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing that, I'm not this, I'm not that, I don't have that cloth, I'm not going to that trip, others' lives are so beautiful, others' lives are so amazing, perfect, that person is amazing, perfect, pedestal pe bitha do. Now I'm so focused on all these things. I'm exhausted. I'm not being grateful for the efforts I'm making in my life for myself, to my inner child, and I'm not being grateful for what I have, to what I will experience and attract in my life more lack, more opportunities to feel the same way, more people who will make me feel the same way. So, yeah, being in a present moment is beautiful, it's amazing, it's healing, and you start to choose yourself more. Trust me, when you will start to connect with the present moment, you will start to know that the happiness you think that other person is gonna give you, you can give it to yourself. Okay, maybe right now I'm hungry. पेट से भी आवाज़ें आ रही है. Okay, so yeah, my message to all of you that try to connect with the present moment, try to be in the present moment, try to be in the present moment when you are talking to that person. Do not hyper focus. I know it's not easy, but try to not hyper focus. Practice it. Tell yourself again and again that this person is not threat to me anymore. Nobody is threat to me. Okay, I just need to be present. I just want to be present. I just want to listen to this person, not from my own wounds and triggers, but as an individual who's just sitting right next to me and trying to share their experience and their life with me. Life is a big thing, big term to use, not life. Their experience and their knowledge and their wisdom. And try to not get triggered. Okay, because we think that everything about is everything, we take everything so personally because I'm a person, I'm a queen. I used to be a queen of taking everything personally and I'm working on it. Okay, I am working on it and I don't want to be there. I know that I will heal from it. And the moment we will be able to detach ourselves from that person and we'll be able to tell ourselves that it's not personal. They're just sharing their opinion, their experience, and the knowledge they have about life and things, so that I can decide now कि if you are in the present moment, then only you will be able to decide कि is this person is right for me? Can I have this friendship with this person? Okay, how much I can give to this person and what I can receive and what this person can give back to me. Is this going to be a relationship of equal energy exchange? Am I going to be drained in this relationship? Am I coming from the place of need and seeking something from this person? Or am I coming from the place of, you know, fulfillment, love, and compassion for myself also? So being in a present moment is beautiful when we are not operating from our triggers and traumas, and we are telling ourselves that I already have it. I can have it. I can experience happiness. I can experience joy. I can experience beauty. I can get the help. I am safe. Trust me, it is going to help you. On this note, bye, and I'll see you all in my next video. And trust me, guys, your help and support means a lot to me. And you all guys listen to me. It means a lot. I feel that I'm being heard and understood. Thank you so much for that. I'm so in gratitude. And if you resonate with my content, with my channel, then do share with your friends and family. Do like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.